In this videos, I am going to talk about Best Passive Income Streams 2022. Number 1. Flip Retail Products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices, and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Number 2. Peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer loan is a personal loan made between you and a borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Other players include Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks. Number 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. This one is truly as simple as it gets for passive income ideas. There is a myriad of companies that pay out dividends to their shareholders, and you can become a shareholder by buying these stocks or mutual fund SEFs that contain dividend-paying companies. Number 4. Starting a blog and monetizing it. The passive income through blogging has allowed many to stop exchanging time for money. You can apply for ad programs like Google AdSense and set them up on the sidebar of your site. Moreover, you can flip your blog to earn a good money. Number 5. Earn passive income with crypto. If you're looking for some new passive income ideas for 2022, earning income with cryptocurrency is definitely an idea worth considering. Moreover, crypto mining is another passive income stream. Number 6. Sell NFT. Non-fungible tokens are unique assets that are stored on a digital ledger. You can create NFT for anything including digital designs, photography, music, games, GIFs, and even video. Number 7. Create a job board. A job board is a great way to earn passive income as an online entrepreneur. These websites are used by employers to promote job vacancies to job searchers. You can charge employers to post on your job board and offer premium features like sponsored jobs or unlimited access to your candidate database. Number 8. Selling online courses. One of the best passive income ideas is selling access to courses or guides to an audience that needs such content. If you have expertise on any subject, this can become of the best passive income streams for you. When an online course is created and marketed, it can provide you with a passive revenue stream for years. Number 9. Passive income through cashback apps. Having multiple sources of passive income is a useful way to diversify your earnings. There are a variety of passive income websites and apps you can download to start making money right away. None of these websites are going to make you a millionaire, but they are a simple way to get some extra spending cash. Number 10. Selling stock photos online. Stock photos can be a good passive income source if you love to take tons of pictures. You can get paid to sell photos online through stock photography websites such as Shutterstock. You can put your images for sale as an independent photographer on various stock photography websites. Number 11. Writing books. Selling books can be an incredible way to create some genuine passive income in the form of royalties. Once your book is accessible on a site like Amazon, you could get a check every month for doing nothing. The more time you spend promoting your books, the more cash you'll make online and offline. Number 12. Vending machine business. It is a great way to make money, especially if you have found the right place to install your vending machine. Considering the number of people going in and out of that place, you will stand a big profit if you have placed the machine in a strategic area. A well-placed vending machine can potentially earn $100 per week or even hundreds of dollars per day. Number 13. Start a YouTube channel. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you have the ability to earn money through YouTube via AdSense. You need to create content that meets their advertiser-friendly content guideline. Number 14. Passive income through real estate. There are many ways to make passive income in the real estate industry. A property of rental is one way in which you either rent out rooms or the whole house to earn extra income. This probably falls more in the category of semi-passive income, since an investment in real estate is always at least a little bit of an active venture. Number 15. Become a social media influencer. A popular social media marketplace like Instagram can help you generate a strong and steady passive income stream. Did you know that the highest paid social media influencer to date is 22 years old social media mogul and makeup business owner Kylie Jenner? You can generate money from the sponsored posts via your audiences. Number 16. Affiliate marketing. Blogging is often seen as a great way to earn almost passive income. If you have a lot of traffic, this can add up to a decent chunk of sales. Basically, affiliate marketing involves promoting products and getting a cut of sales. Number 17. Amazon fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon has become a great source of passive income for people who want to generate extra income for themselves. Amazon is huge. It's the third biggest website in the United States. Amazon also offers a couple of different fulfillment strategies, such as the Fulfillment by Amazon platform, also known as FBA. Number 18. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over the long haul. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate income. Number 19. Sell designs online. If you have design skills, you may be able to turn them into a money maker by selling items with your printed designs on them. Businesses such as Cafe Epris and Zazzle allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs, and more with your own designs. Number 20. Create your own podcast. Once you've created a podcast, go out and reach out to companies that align with the audience of your show. Over time, podcasting can become a source of passive income where you can monetize your audience.